Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to get a Lowe's business credit card. So you just come here to Lowe's.com and you access the Lowe's Credit Center and you go over to business credit section. Okay. Now here you're able to browse through the different credit cards they have available. For example, they have this one, my Lowe's Pro Rewards credit card. They have the commercial account which you can apply for. Okay. So you choose whichever one is applicable for you, and you can go ahead and apply for that specific card. And here you can compare them and see what benefits they do offer. So if you are okay, let's say with this one, you just come here, click on apply now, and you get started. So you enter first your email. Okay, so if you have an account already, you can go ahead and use that, or you can create a new one to access that, right? Just go through the sign up process. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided a value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.